and welcome to my channel. If you're new, I'm Kenzey, and just kind of jumping right into it. This isn't going to be a tutorial. I was just headed out for the night and I figured it would be fun to kind of include y'all in this process. I don't always do a face mask before I go out, but my skin has been so dry lately, so I just threw on this fresh face mask and some Neutrogena lip gloss, which I've been obsessed with lately, by the way. And pretty much any products that I use are going to be listed down in the description box below. For this product in my hair, I just use curl mix. Y'all know that I'm a ride or die curl mix fan, and if you are interested in checking out curl mix, I do actually have a coupon code that you can check out. I'll have that, of course, listed down in the description box below, and it's right here on the screen as well. And you guys, you're gonna see later on, like coming soon, but I went to open up the bottle of curl mix because I actually ran out of products. Like, I couldn't pump out any more products, so when I went to open it, it literally sliced the hell out of my finger. Like, my finger was bleeding for so long, and still days later it hurts so bad. But you know, beauty is pain, beauty is pain. So when it comes to diffusing my hair, y'all, when I say I am in dying need of a haircut, like, my hair is so flat, there's no life to it. No matter how I diffuse it these days, I can't get any volume. It's just so flat on the top. I need some layers, I need something. But basically what I'm doing here is how I always diffuse my It's how I always diffuse my hair. This is how I've always done it. I do about 5 minutes on each side and then 5 minutes upside down, and I just keep repeating that for about 25 minutes. So I don't really know the math behind that, but yeah, that's what I do. Now, when it comes to my makeup, like I said, all of the products that I use will be down in the description box below if you're interested in anything that you see. But by this point, and literally every single time I go out, I'm always running late. So by this point, I was in a rush. Like, I was just throwing on makeup, and I don't even know, okay?
The beat.
done, I just have to change into my clothes and kind of fluff out my hair as best as I can. But not only is this day one, so my hair is usually flat, but it's also the fact that I need a haircut and I need some layers that it's just super flat. But I know y'all see these curls popping. Of course, curl mix always comes through for your girl. As far as my outfit, this is the best like overview that I could do because like I said, I was running late and honey, it was just a mess. But outfit details, shoe details, purse details, all the details down in the description box below. I of course hope that you guys enjoyed the video, and if you did, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you aren't already, and of course hit that bell notification, that way you never miss a post. And I love you guys so much, and I'll see you in my next video.
Riding Kawasaki, I can cup you in the Rari, let you ride it, now you're rap and you're bad, bad, bad.